Hello everyone, for today's video I am doing a massage here. Shout out to this lady, Miss Ate Bantilan. She's really doing a great job to do a massage. So by the way, this is just front of Dipolog Boulevard, PWD Wellness Hub, just front of Dipolog Boulevard. It's just walking distance from my flat. So anyway, shout out to this lady. Thank you so much, ate. Agay, nalagyan
na. Mao naging
agay.
ginay ko gani. Gid man siya nga
Mapilo ba na ko kuan o murag pwede lang lawas. Sa
maningong ka nga mura ka o dilain ng lawas kuan na din siya.
May ulo ulo jud ti murag.
Kuan man eh. Ang panahon ting masa kanas taas.
So panuhot, I don't know what's that English, panuhot. So we call that in Bisaya. Yeah, panuhot. You need the massage. So yeah, and it's really nice, By the way, if you want to massage here, the whole body is the 300 pesos, but it's really worth it, for the whole body massage. And they're the one also to have a home service, but I prefer to go walk in here. So yeah, this is really nice to have a massage after, like, the whole body massage from head to toe. So yeah, thank you so much for the short video. Thank you. God bless.